Bonjour, YouTube! Today is a day of celebration. Celebration.
Over the weekend, we hit the grand mark of 100 subscribers.
Which is a big deal for our infant channel's life.
And us being the overbearing man-parents that we are,
we're gonna celebrate the crap out of this moment. Woo! But in all seriousness, we appreciate all you folks out there for subscribing to us.
And as a thank you to you all, we have a gift.
Play the gift music!
The first part of our two-part gift is...
Drum roll, please! 100 need-to-know facts about Eric and Yilong that you don't really need to know. Number 1. We both graduated from the University of California, Riverside.
Woo. Number 56. One of us is eating a dog.
What? Number 34 and a half. We both have participated in killing farm animals, and we're not proud of it.
Number pi. If we had to choose a professional sports team to be a part of, we would choose the X-Men. Thank you, no further questions.
Number Sigma Phi. If this was a Vine video, it'd look like this. If this was a Vine video, it'd look like this. If this was a Vine video, it'd look like this.
Number Momo number 5. I can hold my breath longer than you.
Number 13 going on 30. We can confidently say that we don't know a damn thing about women, but we like to think we do.
Oh, jeez, boy.
Number... We like fried chicken.
Number 19.75. All Hmong women scare me.
And number 100!
We promise to you, our subscribers,
that you can always depend on us to provide you with content that will make you laugh,
cry,
wonder,
think,
and laugh again.
And to show you guys we're being completely serious about all this,
we now present you with part 2 of our two-part gift,
which is us meowing the national anthem.
What? Meow, 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 meow.